Is your iPhone stuck on the recovery mode screen? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 4 effective ways to fix an iPhone stuck in recovery mode. Some methods are super quick, and some can even repair your iPhone without losing data. Let's get started. Method 1. Manually exit recovery mode. Let's start with the simplest method first. Here's how to manually exit recovery mode on your iPhone. First, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Now wait a few moments, and your iPhone should reboot normally and exit recovery mode. If this method works for you, great. If not, don't worry, let's move on to the next solution. Method 2. Restore iPhone with iTunes or Finder. You can also restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Here's how. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open iTunes or Finder. Once your device is detected, you'll see a message saying your iPhone is in recovery mode and needs to be restored. Click Restore. Your computer will download the latest official iOS firmware and restore your iPhone automatically. Just keep in mind, this method may erase your data. Method 3. One-click exit recovery mode. If manually pressing buttons feels complicated, there's a much easier way. You can use TunesKit iOS System Recovery to enter or exit recovery mode with just one click. Here's how. Download and install the software on your computer, then launch it. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. On the main screen, choose Enter or Exit Recovery Mode. Now simply click Exit Recovery Mode. Wait a few seconds, and your iPhone will automatically restart and return to normal. Super simple. Method 4. Fix recovery mode without losing data. Now let's say your iPhone is still stuck in recovery mode. In that case, TunesKit can also help repair the iOS system without deleting your data. On the home screen, select iOS System Repair. Choose your device issue, then click Start. You'll now see 2 repair options: Standard Repair, Deep Repair. Choose Standard Repair to fix the issue without data loss. The software will detect your device and show the available firmware version. Confirm the information, then click Download to get the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Repair. TunesKit will begin fixing your iPhone automatically. After the repair is finished, your iPhone will exit recovery mode and restart normally. So yes, even if your iPhone gets stuck in recovery mode, there are still several ways to fix it safely. And with TunesKit iOS System Recovery, you can easily exit recovery mode or even repair your iPhone without losing data. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.